Refrigerating skincare products can extend their shelf life and provide a soothing, cooling sensation beneficial for conditions like rosacea and eczema. Products with antioxidants and retinoids, eye creams, and preservative-free items thrive in the fridge. However, avoid refrigerating oil-based products, emulsions, clay masks due to the potential texture changes and instability. Keep the fridge at a consistent 14 to 16 degrees and avoid freezing to prevent damage. While beneficial, skincare fridges require extra space and energy, which may not be practical for everyone.